And what about the basic right of women over their bodies? Let's take you to the United States. This is a story about a woman who sought abortion in the state of Texas. And if you have been watching this show regularly, you would know very well about where things stand in the US as far as abortion is concerned. What happened in this case and why has it been dominating headlines? What is the woman's story? Our next report breaking it all down for you.
This is Kate Cox, and her story has been dominating headlines in the United States. Why? Because of her fight to get an abortion. The mother of two is 20 weeks pregnant. Her fetus has been diagnosed with a chromosomal disorder. It is called trisomy 18. The rare but serious condition often results in stillbirth or early death of the infant. Kate Cox filed a lawsuit this week. In the lawsuit, she has said that her fetus was diagnosed with trisomy 18, and because she had two previous cesarean sections, she would need to have a third one if she continues the pregnancy. According to the lawsuit, this could jeopardize her ability to have more children, saying that she and her husband want to have more children in the future. According to her, doctors have said that continuing with the pregnancy poses a risk to her health.
Kate Cox's life and future fertility are at great risk, and according to her doctor, the medical care that she needs is an abortion. In the time between when this case was filed on Tuesday morning and our hearing today, Ms. Cox has had to visit the emergency room again, her fourth emergency room visit in the last month for pregnancy symptoms including severe cramps, leaking fluid, and elevated vital signs. Today, we are seeking a temporary restraining order to allow Ms. Cox to get the abortion that she needs now to end her suffering and protect her fertility.
Texas law prohibits almost all abortions with limited exceptions. The abortion ban has only a narrow exception to save the mother's life or prevent substantial impairment of a major bodily function. Suing the state, Kate Cox sought a court-ordered abortion, and now a Texas judge has ruled that she can legally terminate her pregnancy, basically handing down a temporary restraining order allowing her to terminate her pregnancy and protecting her doctor from civil and criminal penalties if she performs the procedure.
I am going to grant the temporary restraining order for Ms. Cox, Mr. Cox, and Dr. Carson. The idea that Ms. Cox wants desperately to be a parent, and this law might actually cause her to lose that ability is shocking and would be a genuine miscarriage of justice. So I will be signing the order, and it will be processed and sent out today.
This is a landmark moment. The debate over abortions has heated up since the United States Supreme Court last year allowed states to ban abortion. This lawsuit is believed to be one of the first attempts in the country by an individual seeking a court-ordered abortion since then. Where do the things go from here? Will lawyers for the state challenge the ruling? Will they ask a higher court to block the order? That remains the big question.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.